Macmillan Audio presents Gone Wolf. Written by Amber McBride. Narrated by Ariel Blake. For my parents, Mario and Deborah, who always let me weave grand stories when my soul was not ready to face the truth. And for Shiloh, thank you for teaching me how to go wolf. Blue, Bible Boot, 2111. Sometimes I tell big stories that pull a wool blanket over my eyes, so I can hide. Imogen, 12 years old. Chapter 1. Sunday Blues. The lady in blue holds up the dolls again. She asks me, which one is better? One has pants with edges like the corner of a wall. It must be painful to wear something so stiff. The doll's face is pale with blue eyes. Behind its thin lips are straight teeth like square pearls. The doll's hair is bright blonde. I want to touch it. I want to touch the hair, but I am afraid it will be hot like the sun. The lady in blue says, "The sun is big and bright. If you stand in it too long, it can burn you." I have never seen the sun, but the lady in blue says, "You will see the sun soon." The second doll wears a big dress made from squares of many colors. It's as if the dress is not sure what color it should be, so it decides to be all the colors, like a rainbow. I have never seen a rainbow, but rainbow means colors, and that is what I think it must look like, but in the sky. The second doll's clothes are wrinkled and the paint on the doll's fingernails is chipped. The plastic face smiles too big, and her slightly yellow teeth remind me of what a sunrise must be like. It's true, I have never seen a sunrise, but the lady in blue says, "You will see the sunrise soon." The lady in blue watches me study each doll, and her eyebrows pull together. She wants me to pick the one with blue eyes. I know, because we have been doing this test for weeks. I know it has been weeks, because a week is 7 days long, and I have had more than 14 breakfast trays since we started this test. I don't know if I can fail a test, but the little sigh the lady in blue does when she puts the dolls back in their boxes sounds like failing. The lady in blue always says, "I am not disappointed," which I guess is true, because she also says she can't feel anything. I point at one of the dolls. "And why, Inmate 11, do you like this doll?" The lady in blue examines the patchwork dress of the doll I picked. The lady in blue's eyes look less blue today and more storm. "I like her hair," I say, because the patchwork dress doll has nice hair. "You like it better than this hair?" The lady in blue tugs at her own golden curls, holding what must be sunshine. "I like that it is blue," I say. Blue.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?